Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by narrowing target roles and aligning skills to job descriptions. This focuses effort. Once done, pick 2 to 4 polished projects that showcase testing, performance, and readable code. Make sure your GitHub has clear README files and a demo link. Recruiters scan quickly. You should craft a one-page resume emphasizing measurable impact and write a concise cover note that states why you fit the specific role. This immediate work converts browsing into interviews. You now tailor applications efficiently. Adjust 2 or 3 resume bullets to echo the job posting, which signals fit. Once tailored, reuse a cover letter template and tweak 2 sentences per company. This preserves authenticity without wasting time. Make a tracker sheet with source, date, and follow-up schedule, and automate reminders so nothing slips. Also, apply via company portals and ask for referrals on LinkedIn. Referrals increase response rates and often bypass resume bots. You finish by preparing for interviews. Practice 4 common coding problems and 1 system design outline per role to build confidence. Once done, conduct timed mock interviews and record yourself to improve structure and clarity. Hiring managers value concise answers and clear trade-offs. If applications produce no interviews, troubleshoot. Audit your resume keywords, ensure repos run locally, and tighten your outreach cadence. Follow up politely after 1 week. Make iterative fixes and reapply with new.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.